Well, hello. Here's the scenario. Say, for example, I fall down and I land on my wrist to break my, to break my fall from getting injured, and it hurts real bad. What I would do is go to the doctor. And when I go to the doctor, first thing the nurse does, she comes in, she checks your vitals, your heart rate, how much you weigh, and stuff like that. And then she says, okay, you tell her what you're experiencing. She gets all the results. The doctor comes in after her. You tell the doctor, him or her, what your symptoms are. The same scenario, you fell, you tried to break your fall, but you hurt your wrist. The doctor will listen, and he's like, okay, what I think we will do is get x-rays of your situation. So they do x-rays. They can let you know that, if it's broken or sprained, and they give you a cast or a splint. You get your medications and you let your body heal. That's the same thing like when people make comments on Facebook. All that we ask is that you give us the who, what, when, and why. How often do you feed your worm bins? What type of bugs are you experiencing? But you also have to give us an inside peek of what's going on in your worm farms, because if I'm looking at your worm farm just from the outside, I can't diagnose your problem, so I can't help you. And that goes with other worm farmers as well. So if you're on Facebook and you have questions, you got to let people know everything that's going on, all the details. I have a Facebook community that is growing, so if you're interested, it's going to be in the pinned comment, or you can check the description box to find that. But we can't help you unless we know what's inside your worm bin and outside with all the information. So that's just something that I want to get out there, because if you don't show, you won't know. But I want you to check out this video right here.